He tried to set his career in Gulf. After a lot of attempts, not getting the expected results, he came back down to Goa. The story was worse in Goa. The initial phase, he started working for a company where he had to sell holiday packages. Hello friends, welcome back to Signature Turned Autograph. I am Aaron Dias, founder and CEO of Signature Turned Autograph, MC by hobby and student by profession. So let's start with today's video. This story is about that person who proved that there is no substitute for hard work. Yes, he is no other than senior journalist Clinton Dsouza. Clinton was born in Poror in Goa. He did his bachelor's degree from St. Xavier's College, Mapsa, and master's degree from Gulf. He has done cybercrime in law. He tried to set his career in Gulf. After a lot of attempts, not getting the expected results, he came back down to Goa. The story was worse in Goa. The initial phase, he started working for a company where he had to sell holiday packages. He did it for almost 2 months. He was going through a lot: anxiety, depression, ups and downs. Then came the life-changing moment when Clinton got the opportunity to join Tempo Group's news channel Goa 365. He joined there as a sub-editor. But one day when the anchor didn't turn up, he got the opportunity to present news on the television for the first time. Then there was no looking back. He hosted many shows for the channel like Sports Encounter, where he interviewed local, national and international sports personalities. Here is a small clip of Clinton Dsouza.
Hey guys, it's Clinton Dsouza and I'm back with another edition of Sports Encounter with me, only on Goa 365.
After working for almost 5 years with Goa 365, Clinton moved to Herald Publications, and now he is the senior journalist and HOD at Herald. Clinton is also a public speaker and invited by schools for career guidance. Clinton has a dream of starting his own news publication house. Clinton's message to young generation is: find happiness in small things and enjoy every moment of life. So this was the story of Clinton Dsouza. You can also check out my other videos like the story of Dominic D'Souza, first Goan HIV patient, Dr. Pramod Sawant, current CM of Goa, and so on. Do you know anyone who has worked hard to achieve success? Or who is working for the betterment of society? Or do you have any love story to share like Nitesh Prajapat and Dimple Palmer? Or would you like to say thank you to your closed ones for all their efforts? Then you are free to contact us. बऱ्या आनी मान फावो आसलोल्या गुणाचेर तुमचो इकलो दवरात. जें कितें खरें आनी व्हरतें, जें कितें नितीन सारकें आनी गुन्यांवां मेकलें, ज्या कित्याची आमी ओपुरबाय आनी तोखणां कोत्तांव, तुमच्या मनान कळुयात.